For this recipe I'm using 500 grams Quorn Mince, 1 onion, 1 magenta pepper, Sun-Ripened tomato and chili, tomato and chili pasta sauce, tomato pasta, 2 cans of kidney beans, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon ground chillies, and a clove of garlic and a garlic crusher. I'm going to start by cooking the mince and browning the onion. I'm going to add the onion to the corn. Salt. Yeah. Chili powder. Cumin. Kidney beans, undrained. Tomato passata, pepper, this is my biggest pan, so we'll have to do tomato and chili. It will fit. Sun-Ripened tomato and chili. Just about fits. I'm going to simmer this for half an hour. I nearly forgot the garlic. I discovered another slightly bigger pan in a secret compartment of my cupboard, so I changed it to that. I'll give it an extra 15 minutes just to make sure. Let's try it. Now for the taste test. Right, lovely. That is lovely. Thank you, Magenta Otter Travels. Wonderful recipe.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.